Zenobia ma'am is back again with a new video of EVS. In LKG, you had learned about living things and non-living things, right? Okay, now tell me what is this? ये क्या है बच्चों? Yes, this is our planet Earth, जिसे हम पृथ्वी भी कहते हैं, right? And we can see so many things around us. And these things we can put into two different categories, living things and non-living things. बच्चों, आपको पता है living things can breathe, eat, grow and move, while non-living things cannot move, breathe, grow and eat. So children, are you excited to learn more about this topic? So let's begin.
So children, our topic for today is things around us. Children, you must have seen there are so many things around us. And at your homes, in your surroundings, at your homes like table, chair, fan. What do you mean by surroundings? Surroundings એટલે તમારા ઘરની બહાર બી તમને કેટલી બધી વસ્તુ જોવો છો તમે, like vehicles, birds, insects, animals, plants, trees and so on. There are so many things. But did you all notice that among these, some of them are living things and some of them are non-living things? Okay children? Now we are going to begin with living things first. Okay children? Now I'll show you some examples of living things. Human beings. Who are they? Human beings. We all are human beings. આપણે બધા human beings છે. Okay? And other trees, grass, they are also living things. Then animals, birds, insects, all these are living things. And today we are going to do characteristics of living things and non-living things. First we'll do the characteristics of living things. Yes children? Yes. Living things. What is the first characteristic? Yes, living things have life. See, living things, they breathe, they grow, they move, they need food, air and water. That is why it is called living things have life. Now what is the second characteristic? Yes, living things grow. See, you all were babies and now you are grown up. છે ને તમે મોટા થયા ને? And trees also show their growth. જો એ નાનું seed હતું, then it grew into a plant અને then afterwards it grew into a big tree. So living things grow. What is the other characteristic? Yes, living things move. Living things can move. આપણે move કરી શકીએ from one place to another. See, the boy is moving. The boy is jumping. See, different living things move in a different way. The bird flying in the sky. Fish is swimming in water. Yes, children? Got it? And the last characteristic is living things need food, air and water. આપણને food જોઈએ so that we grow and stay strong. We need air to breathe, fresh air, and we also need water to drink. So all these were the characteristics of living things. Shall we repeat once again? Characteristics of living things. Living things have life. Living things grow. Living things move. Living things need food, air and water. Did you all get it children? Very good. Now we will do with our non-living things. Now what are non-living things? What is so special about non-living things that they are called non-living things? I'll show you some examples of non-living things, okay? Car, table, fan, toys and cupboard. All these are non-living things. And what is so special about non-living things? That they cannot grow. Have you all seen your table or chair કે તમારી doll કે car grow થતા જોયું છે? એ લોકો નાનાથી big થાય છે એ લોકો? નહીં, they cannot grow. અને do they need air to breathe? એ લોકોને air જોઈએ breathe કરવા માટે? એ લોકો શ્વાસ લઈ શકે? No, they cannot breathe. And they cannot move also. એ લોકો જાતે move કરી શકે તમારી જેમ? નહીં કરી શકે ને? One more thing I want to add over here, कि mountains, rivers, sun, moon, stars, they are also natural non-living things. Why natural? Because they already existed in nature. In nature's gift share. So they are called natural non-living things. Is it clear? Now we will do the characteristics of non-living things. So what are the characteristics of non-living things? Non-living things do not have life. They do not grow. They do not move. They do not need food, air and water. So one more thing I wanted to tell you, that fruits, flowers, they also are non-living things. Why non-living? Because till it is attached to a tree, એક tree પર હોય ત્યાં સુધી એ living કહેવાય. But the moment it is plucked, એને તમે તોડી નાખીએ તો it becomes a non-living thing. Okay children?
See children, here we have some pictures of living things and non-living things. Now we will see which are living things and which are non-living things through one activity. So are you all ready? L for living things and N for non-living things. We will put living things here and non-living things here. Okay? Which picture is this? Tree. Tree is living thing or non-living thing? Yes. Tree is living thing. So we will paste here. Okay? Now children, what is this? Washing machine. Is this living thing or non-living thing? Yes, very good. Non-living thing. So we will put it here. Non-living thing. And now, which picture is this? Dice. आप लोग लूडो खेलते हैं ना डाइस से. Yes, is this living thing? No, this is non-living thing. And now children, this is fish. Fish is living thing? Yes, so we will put it here. And children, who is this? Cat. Cat is living thing? Yes, so we will stick it here. And children, what is this? Fan. Is this living thing or non-living thing? Oh yes, this is non-living thing. And now, what is this colorful? Yes, xylophone. Is this living thing? No, non-living thing? Yes, so we will put it here. Non-living thing. And now, who is this? Little baby. So where we will stick? Yes, this is living thing. And what is this? Gift. आप सबको अच्छा लगता है ना गिफ्ट? ये लिविंग थिंग है कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग? Yes, gift is non-living thing. So we will stick it here. And children, who is coming? Our national bird. Who is this? Peacock. Peacock is a living thing. So we will stick it here. No, we will stick it here. Okay. This activity you can also do at your home.
This is your Enjoy Learning Environmental Studies book. It is also known as EVS book, right? Now in this book you have to open page number 3. This, what is it? Things around us. What are things we see around us? We see many things around us. There are two kinds of things, living things, non-living things. What pictures are these? Car, rose, parrot, chair, elephant, tree, computer. Turn your page. Open page number 4. What is this? Living things. Living things have life. Living things need air, water, sunlight and food. Living things grow. Living things move. Plants, animals and we are living things. Some pictures are given of living things. What is this girl doing? Girl is having her food. Butterfly, bird, boy is watering the plant. This is also a living thing. Plant is also a living thing. Boy, baby and dog. Now next page, non-living things. Non-living things have no life. Non-living things do not need air, water, sunlight and food. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not move. Which are the pictures of non-living thing? Fan, aeroplane, book, tricycle, mobile, table, sofa. Now the next page, page number 6. Can you see some exercises here? In this, what you have to do? Encircle the living things. Some pictures are given. You have to find out which are the living things and you have to encircle it. For example, which picture is this? Peacock. Peacock is a living thing. So you have to circle. right? In the same way, you have to find out all other living things and you have to circle, right? Now, these are some exercises related to the topic and you have to do this exercise with the help of your parents. Okay, kids?
Children, this is your sketchbook. In the market, it is available. One side it's plain and one side it's red and blue line. Okay? Children, you have to write in this sketchbook. If you don't have, then you can also write in red and blue line book also. Now children, let's start how to write in this book. First you have to write this heading, that is living things. Now we are going to write the spellings of some living things. First we will write one dot. Then we will write the spelling of cat. C-A-T, cat. Now the next spelling. We will write 2 number, 2 dot. Then R-A-T, rat. Now the next spelling. We will write the number 3. 3 dot. M-A-N, men. Then 4 dot. B-O-Y, boy. Now the next spelling. 5 dot. F-O-X, fox. Children, you have to write the spelling like this way only. Now children, let us draw some related pictures of living thing. First we will draw tree. How to draw tree? Curve, curve, slanting line, opposite slanting line, then curves. Then next picture, and that is butterfly. You already know how to draw butterfly. Circle, then curve, curve, then we will write 3 number. Again curve, then we will draw 2 antennas, then eyes and 1 smiley, then slipping lines. 1 circle here, we will draw circle. After butterfly, we are going to draw a girl. For girl, we will draw first circle, then curve, curve, then 2 ponies, then 2 eyes, nose and 1 smiley, then U curve, we will draw a frog, U curve, then 2 hands and 2 legs, girl. And next picture is dog. We are going to draw a dog. Slipping line, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line. Then 2 ears, 2 eyes, small triangle for nose and U curve. Then 3 dots over here. Then do slipping line, curve, slipping line, curve, slanting line, slipping line. Then U curve. Then small U curves, 3 circles and a small tail, dog. So these are the pictures of living things: tree, butterfly, girl and dog. Now in the next page you have to write the heading non-living things like this way. Now we are going to write some spellings of non-living things. And first one is, we will write 1 dot. You know the spelling of bat, right? B-A-T, bat. In the next line, 2 dot. H-A-T, hat. Next word, 3 dot. M-A-T, mat. Next one is 4 dot. C-A-N, can. And the last one is F-A-N, fan. Now children, in the next page, we are going to draw the pictures of non-living thing. Now first we will draw a bat. You know how to draw bat, right? Slipping line, standing line, and slanting line. Slipping line. Like this way you will draw a bat. Okay? After bat, we are going to draw a cap. You know very well children how to draw a cap. Slipping line, curve. Right? Like this way you will draw a cap. The next picture of non-living thing is bag. First draw a small rectangle. Slanting line, join with slipping line. Then like this way draw bag. The next picture for non-living thing is a table. First we will draw a oval shape. Then standing line, standing line, slipping line. Like this way you have to draw the pictures of non-living things.